There are a lot of benefits of having a cat in your house. 1. Cats are quiet. Cats are one of the noiseless pets in the world because the meowing sound is not that loud. 2. Cats are low maintenance. They don't require formal training. They don't need to be taken out multiple times. They are able to take care of their basic self-cleaning. Cats are easy to house train. They usually know how to use litter box. You just need to show them where it is. 4. Cats make great apartment pets. Cats require less space in your house to sleep and play. The other reason is because they use litter box. They don't need to be taken outside multiple times. 5. Cats cost less to care for. They require less food, less toys, and less grooming costs because they are able to take care of basic self-cleaning. 6. Cats are independent. Cats are usually happy to have time for themselves. They sleep for 15 hours per day. They are contented with just being in your company. 7. Cats have a long lifespan. The average lifespan of a cat is 12 years, but it's not uncommon for them to live up to 20 years. This minimizes the heartbreak of losing a pet often. 8. Cats are good for your health. Cats have a calming effect on their owners. They aid in falling asleep at night. They help in lowering blood pressure and risk of heart attack. They eliminate loneliness. 9. Cats help in reducing allergies. They prevent the development of all types of allergies. 10. Cats keep unwanted pests out of your house. They are perfect for keeping your house free of unwanted pests. Example: mice, frogs, geckos, roaches, snakes, and so on. Their scent acts as repellent for rodents. This is Annabelle. Annabelle is part of our family. She is a calico cat. Annabelle loves to hunt, cuddling, and she eats all type of meat. Even though she doesn't eat a lot, she drinks a lot of water. Annabelle is not afraid of heights, so she enjoys climbing the windows, rooftops, trees, cars, and so on. Annabelle doesn't bite or scratch anyone in the house. She's a kind-hearted cat. She is also loving, loyal, protective of everyone in the house. She doesn't sleep a lot during the day, even though she is nocturnal. She doesn't meow a lot. Annabelle only meows when asking for food or talking to someone. Annabelle is 3 years old. She is 28 years old in human age. In case you're wondering, that's Annabelle meowing in the background. Annabelle is an intelligent and independent cat. She enjoys alone time. Annabelle doesn't use her litter box anymore. She stopped using it when she was a few months old. She usually goes outside the house to do her business.